In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, you can click on Vibrate right away. This way, you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also tap on Sound next to Vibrate and click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Now click on Call Vibration Pattern and select the best pattern for your incoming calls, like heartbeat. When you finished, go back, click on Notification Vibration Pattern and do exactly the same for your notifications. Then go back again. Nextly, tap on System Vibration and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. You can also adjust intensity of this hip feedback by swiping left or right on slider above. Last but not least, click on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of system vibrations by swiping left or right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!